The Samsung Galaxy S5 take apart and repair directions. Fix your broken iPhone 5 with parts and service from DirectFix.com. Use coupon code YT7 and save 7% off your next order at DirectFix.com. Please read this warning thoroughly before attempting to repair your device. After completely powering off your device, remove the back cover. Remove the battery and your SIM card. Remove these 3 Phillips screws. You can now pull off and remove the charge port cover. Using a heat gun, loosen the adhesive holding down the screen. With your case opener tool, begin to gently pry the screen up. While pulling the screen up, disconnect the screen ribbon from the motherboard. Carefully remove the screen and peel off the home button as well as the touch buttons that may be stuck to the bottom of the screen. Remove the screws shown in the red circles. Now we need to separate the 2 different sections of the mid-frame. Disconnect the home button from the motherboard and pull the ribbon through the hole. Remove this screw right below the camera. As well as this screw right next to the charge port. Now peel off the touch buttons from the mid-frame. You can now remove the motherboard from the mid-frame. Disconnect the antenna ribbons from the motherboard. You can now disconnect the charge port from the motherboard. The fully disassembled Samsung Galaxy S5. To begin reassembly, place the charge port and home button board onto the bottom of your mid-frame. Flip the mid-frame over and stick the touch buttons onto the underside. Connect the charge port ribbon to the motherboard and place the motherboard onto the mid-frame. Now connect the antenna cables to the motherboard. Now run the home button ribbon cable through the midframe and connect to the motherboard. You can now place the midframe into the frame of the phone. Now place screws in the red circles shown, securing the frames together. Now plug your screen into the motherboard and place flat onto the frame of the phone. You may now place your SIM card and install your battery. And finally, place the back cover onto your phone. Like, comment, and subscribe for more repair videos from DirectFix. For all your cell phone parts, accessories, and service needs, go to directfix.com now.